Bitcoin, the fight's on 74K or 59K. Are we going up or down? You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, crypto to the max. And today we are watching Bitcoin chart after a crash of a 6% going a little bit up. Of course, today bad news is that the ETFs in United States stays going down. We have a negative day for second time in a row. And today all eyes are just looking to Jerome Powell and see if the decision of the Fed is raising or not the rates. That's important. And today it's also important. I asked ChatGPT about this because we had a thing called dot plot. What is that? Well, that's something that happens twice when they have these meetings every 2 times, every other time, you would say in English, is when they say every of the members of this committee, they have to say their expectations, is anonymous, but they say their expectations about what's gonna happen in the future. So you can see here the trend. I'm gonna leave you this article in the description below, so you can see the trend where the opinion of these people, what they believe if we are going to have some cuts in those rates or not. So allegedly, they believe that these cuts will come. We had them in Canada, we had them in Europe. So we'll see about that today at 2 p.m. We'll have that piece of information. And right now, dollar is going down a little bit. Remember, it happened last time. It happened the previous time too. And it's usual to have dollar going down when we have this decision. Yesterday, the stock market went up in United States, and today, Asian market is up. So maybe a good thing. Also, Benjamin Cohen, we talk a lot about him in previous video. He's telling us here that usually when we have these meetings, these decisions, Bitcoin bottoms and starts going up. I went to TradingView, link in the description below, and I checked that for myself. And you can see here with my crazy charts, remember to smash the like button if you find value here, that the last time we went up, the previous time we went up, the previous one we went up, previous one we went up and up and up. And mostly that's so true. So yeah, maybe this is the point for a bounce on Bitcoin. Also, this yellow line, I found it very interesting for supports and resistances all over the time, coinciding also sometimes with these pumps with the Fed. So interesting. Pause the video and analyze all these charts. Also, what's the expectation for the CPY in United States? Well, average is 3.4%. What will happen if inflation rises to 3.5%? That's something we're gonna figure out today, because today is a huge day. All eyes are on the data of the Feds, and we see it's just hours, so we have that decision. In today's video, the main thing is the fight between bulls and bears. People betting against Bitcoin and people betting in favor of Bitcoin. We have 6.3 billion worth of Bitcoin shorts that will be liquidated at $74,000. So liquidity might go up to cut those heads, but we have a response there saying that we have a whole lot more longs at 59K. So finally, right now, we have these two opposite forces. One in the green, 74K, and then just the sky's the limit, or maybe 59K, and we are out for some crypto winter. What do you think is going to happen? Leave a comment below and we'll learn together with our different opinions. Stock Money Lizards believes we're going to go down, but not as down as expected here in this 59K argument, but to 64, 62 approximately, and then we will go up and we will have for July new all-time highs. This coincides with the last crazy theories we told you in previous video. I'm not expert, remember, but I told you a lot of crazy stuff that you shouldn't miss there. Also, we reviewed the theory about the possibly drop for Bitcoin according to Owen and those cats. And it's a very, very interesting video that I believe that you should watch. Consider that we just were rejected from the range high of the reaccumulation range if we consider previous halvings. So you see this red line, the same one we have right now. And that means that maybe we need this time for reaccumulations before the new cycle of highs for Bitcoin. Any case, good news, 30,000 Bitcoin have been withdrawn from Coinbase today. Maybe that's bad for the price right now, but this makes Bitcoin more scarce in the exchanges, and therefore we might have a liquidity crisis. Consider that we have just only 21 million Bitcoin out there, less than that, and that we have unlimited fiat out there that can be printed. So good for us. Also consider that Bitcoin has a larger market cap than the top 3 banks combined. So we already won. Also, Vivek telling us here that 70 trillion world's largest bank, ICBC, said that Bitcoin is much better than gold. Are you paying attention? And what about this? Some more alpha we found from Bitcoin Archive that I believe it's amazing. You can see this is a 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, and anytime we go with the RSI to 30, we bounce like here, here, and here. Again, I went to TradingView and I checked that for myself, and anytime you go there, this is true. Or maybe we are flat, or maybe we just stop going down. But most of the times we go up, we bounce even for a little period of time. So Bitcoin, because of this, because of the Fed's meeting, etc., with so many now variables telling us that we might go up. Another one is Donald Trump being a Bitcoin bro, a crypto bro. Right now, he is continuing with his campaign pro-Bitcoin. He met with Bitcoin Magazine CEO and US Bitcoin miners. The message, I support you, I support Bitcoin. Now he says that he wants the rest of Bitcoin mining as a US operation. This is really a change of mind for this guy. Amazing. That's why I'm still greedy. 72 today, even though we are in the red in the monthly. We told you 77, 67.477. That was the line, and we crossed it. But think, if you want to know what might happen in June, just watch this video where you have a sum up about these 2 lines that would bring us the green. Also, because of election year, the green. So watch that video. Again, is this one. Everything changes in June, where you can see our prediction for the month. Ethereum just broke the line we told you yesterday. Bad thing, but we found support in the other one. So one bad one, one good one, and right now resistance in this line that we draw. Very interesting lines that we draw here in the show, where we have Pepe going up 11%. That's good. You can see all of that on dextools.io. Of course, the cryptocurrencies that right now are trended, do not miss that out. Also, now they are excited to announce that they have Ton blockchain integrated into DexTools app. And which one is not there? Remember, all chains you have there, now Ton, but you have all the rest. DexTool is the Dexfinitive tool out there. You need to learn about it, of course. And there you can watch some cryptocurrencies, very interesting ones, like this one, that if you go there, it's called ASS. Well, you'll see there's a lot of speculators and bad people creating this token, when the token itself, it's kind of scammy. You have this Peter Guru. I recommend you to follow him because he has this article, very interesting one. He just followed this token that Avela Danger created. It seems that right now, famous people are creating their tokens, even porn stars like this girl. And then you can see, if you track everything, if this is true, that she and her friends, they are selling the token. So the idea here, allegedly, is that we need a famous girl like this one. We're going to have all of them doing this now. They create a token with 5 euros, and then they go all the way they can, and they take your money and the money from degens and speculators. So be careful with all that. You can make money, but also you can lose it all. And maybe you're going to make a lot of money because of Zksynk airdrop. Next week we have the release of that airdrop. Maybe you have a lot of those tokens. You can send me some if you want. You have the address on our website, funontheright.com. Thank you for those donations, because I have none of this airdrop. It's not fair, because I tried to do some stuff, but well, they ask for so many things, crazy stuff in my opinion, not good whatsoever. This is the criteria you have to do in order to be eligible. You get those points. I did some of this, but not all the requirements that they want. So sad. But any case, if you wanna check if you are eligible, be careful with the scams out there. But the idea is I'm gonna leave you this address in the description below, and you can just put there your address. This is safe, and click the button if you'll see if you are eligible. If you don't remember all the Ethereum addresses that you have, maybe this is because you're not using coin tracking. I went to my coin tracking. I'm gonna show you a demo account, and I click on panel. Well, you see all the cryptocurrencies this guy holds. But then if you go here to insert coins, you have, if you scroll down the blockchains, in this case, we will go to Ethereum. And once you're there, you'll find all the addresses here. So it's easy to copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. And you can see as myself that I'm not eligible whatsoever. Or maybe you are happy. If you're sad, well, consider buying a treasure and winning another one. You have a form in the description below. You have to use the link in the description below in order to buy it. And then you might win one of these treasures. We have the next draw next Monday. Do not miss that out. And also, I'm gonna do an unboxing because I have already my treasure keep metal, so I can have, in a safer way, my 12 worlds. I will tell you everything about that. And I will tell you everything about AI news and Apple in the new video. Do not miss that one also. And today we have no cuts at the end of the video. We are going to give this time to our friend Javi, the Chiquitins. Maybe you know him by that name. And today is his birthday. He is the editor of the channel and so many other stuff here. So everybody say happy birthday to Chiquitins. Thank you very much for all your hard work. And thank you for the community for those greetings. If you want more about the crypto world, well, watch one of these videos here on CryptoNews. Fun on the Right, Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!